How about a washing machine repair video? Diagnostic video. Yes, I know I should automatically know what's wrong with it just by looking at the front panel here, but I don't because I'm not a professional appliance repair person. But we can still have fun watching me make a fool out of myself trying to diagnose it. It's been sitting for about 6 months. It has some problem. I don't know what it is. It is a Kenmore Sears Roebuck, which I think is almost 100% gone. 10 amps at 60 hertz. And we're going to work on it outside here because it belongs to a friend. And let's see, I got the drain plumbed into the sewer there, and I just got the cold connected to a hose bib. So let's see what happens here. Let's set this to small load, cold, 1 rinse, heavy duty, ultra clean. Let's do this. I guess this is short. I guess this is when these started to get cheap. I need to figure out how to bypass this. It doesn't even feel like it's working. I don't even feel anything click. Well, I'll tell you, this feels like it's broken. And that might explain the complaint, because I believe he said that it runs halfway and then it doesn't do anything. So maybe this activates the pump out or the rinse, and this lid switch is broken. That's why it only, well, let's see what happens here. So it just stopped, and now it's not doing anything. And I'll tell you, this thing is broken. I can feel there's wires on the back of it. Brilliant design, Sears. Wonder if we can get that out right through here. Should I unplug this before I work on it? It's broken. You know what? This thing gonna get deleted. We're all adults here. We don't. No kids in this house, so I think we can just get rid of this. If this prevents it from going into rinse and pump out, or spin, whatever you want to call it, then we can just bypass this. And that would explain his complaint. What the hell is this? All right. For testing purposes, I just took and, well, didn't stay. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just try this and see what happens. Isn't this fun? Alright, that's it. It's the damn lid switch is broken. So we're going to have a lid switch delete here. See, it never did pump out. That's why it's filthy. Yep, that's the whole problem. Stupid lid switch. So there's my lid switch solution. And I think you got to rationally look at this stuff, you know. House with a bunch of kids or, you know, small animals like cats or something. You probably don't want to do this, but 50-year-old single guy, you know, never going to be a problem here safety-wise. I mean, the thing actually does the agitation with the lid open, so what's really the difference? I don't understand. Usually the lid switch completely disables any starting of the motor on these, but this one it doesn't. This thing needs to really be cleaned with some type of cleaning solution, but I don't want to do that out here. Because I don't want any of the cleaning solution to go, you know, other than in the drain. So we'll do that when we get it reinstalled. All right. I know it's going to work. I mean, I could tell instantly by there was no click here. So I don't know why he didn't notice that. But I'll let it run and I'll get some video of it doing its thing. This one is dedicated to all those guys that like to thoroughly clean and then fully recap these 2000s televisions. This is why they have the lid switch, so you can't do this. Okay, I don't think I need to see anymore. At this point, it's just wasting water. It's pretty nice under here. It's a pretty heavy-duty motor. Looks dry and clean. Yeah, I probably shouldn't tip it. The oil's probably all running out of the transmission right now, right? Direct drive. There's the brake. Not bad. Nice sized copper coils in that motor. Very cool. Very easy fix.